How's it feeling so far?
I like it.
Yep. If this is your first time playing fan frets?
Yeah, I've never played a fan fret guitar or headless stock.
Yeah.
I always wanted to. Yeah, it's nice. I like the size of it. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
I might actually personally get like something like this in the future.
I know a guy that makes them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I've always...
Dude, I got plenty. If you're done, that's fine.
All right, cool. Yeah.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Kenny, for demoing this instrument for me on the truck. I really appreciate it because I'm just not a very good guitar player. And in case you're wondering about the truck, this has been my big build project of the year. There's a whole series of videos about it on my channel, and you can go check that out and figure out what the whole deal is with this roving guitar store stage and what my plans are with it. I totally forgot that the client asked me to coil tap the humbuckers, so I added these two little tap switches, and it works great. It's so nice to have even more versatility in such a small package. This is my first fan fret instrument I've ever built, and it's also my first 7-string guitar I've ever built, so I'm really happy to add that to my resume. And about the back, that box that I used to create the cavity cover was the client's grandmother's jewelry box. It's very sentimental to him. So we built that into the back, and then I did create a plexiglass version of the cavity cover that goes over the electronics because that was the part of the box that didn't have art, and it's kind of a light pine. The edges got a little so that way he has the choice if he wants to stay with the theme or put something in that's a little more finished. But the most important part is the artwork, and we were able to save all that. And that artwork inspired the inlays on the fingerboard, which the artist friend created. So this is a really special personal guitar, and I'm super honored to have had the opportunity to build it. So my only next question is, what can I build for you? All right, be good.